Hey Carl, guess what? Someone asked us to talk about English for the office today.
Perfect. A lot of listeners are starting new jobs or joining international teams. It can feel scary at first.
I remember my first office job. I overthought every sentence. I wanted perfect grammar before I spoke.
Same. But the truth is, work communication is about clarity, not perfection. Short, simple ideas. Natural tone.
Exactly. So today we'll walk through an office day, arriving, checking messages, meetings, deadlines, and that big phrase everyone loves, work-life balance.
And we'll keep it friendly and real, like you're sitting at a desk across from us, coffee in hand.
Or tea, maybe a cinnamon roll, no judgment.
Okay, picture this. It's your first week. You badge in, find your desk, and your brain is already making 1,000 questions.
Where do I sit? When do people take a break? Do I need to turn on my camera for this meeting?
Let's start with the morning routine, the moment you open your laptop.
I like to say one sentence out loud to focus. My plan for today is simple. That calms me down.
Then I check messages, email, chat, calendar, and I make a short list. 3 main tasks. Not 10, 3.
3 is magic. If you finish them, you can add more. But starting with 3 helps you feel in control.
If you're not sure how to explain that plan to a coworker, try this. I'm focusing on 3 tasks today. Answer client emails, finish the draft report, and prepare slides for the 2 p.m. meeting.
Clear, simple, and you can always ask for priorities. Which one should I finish first? That question shows you care about time and deadlines.
Speaking of deadlines, the word can feel heavy, deadline, but think of it as a guide, a North Star for your day.
If you ever need to adjust the time, keep it honest and polite. I need more time for this report. Can we move the deadline to tomorrow morning?
Notice how Laura gives a new time. That helps your manager plan.
Another morning moment, the first coffee break. You might wonder, is it okay to join? Usually, yes. It's not just coffee, it's culture.
And connection. A simple question can open the door. Mind if I join you? Or how's your morning going?
If you're nervous about grammar, you can keep it extra short. Hi, can I sit here? Nobody is grading you.
Exactly. People remember your attitude more than your commas.
Now let's walk into the first meeting. Cameras, microphones, and a lot of faces.
The number one skill in meetings is showing you're present. You can say, I agree with that point, or that makes sense to me, or could you repeat that, please?
When you have a small idea but feel shy, I have a quick thought. Maybe we try A before B? Short and useful.
If you disagree, be respectful and specific. I see your point. I'm worried about the timeline. Could we test it on one customer first?
Nice. And when you finish speaking, you can turn it back to the group. What do you think? That invites collaboration.
Let's talk about roles. In many U.S. offices, people use first names, even with managers.
Right. If you're unsure, you can ask, how would you like me to address you? It's polite and saves awkward moments later.
Okay, time for a quick scene. Imagine you, new to the team, chatting with your manager after the stand-up.
Hi, Sarah. Can I ask 2 quick questions about the project timeline?
Sure.
First, which task is highest priority for today? And second, would you like daily updates by email or should I post in the group chat?
Look at that. Clear, organized, and respectful. Sarah will love you.
Also, do you ever wonder when to speak in a meeting? Here's my favorite trick. Write one sentence before the meeting starts. One. It could be a summary, a question, or a suggestion. Then look for a natural moment and read your sentence.
That's great. It helps you practice your voice. After 2 or 3 meetings, your confidence grows.
Let's move to tasks and tools. Some people love Trello or Notion. Some love a notebook. Use what helps you see your day at a glance.
I keep a simple structure. Now, next, later. Now is what I'm doing this hour. Next is what I want to start after lunch. And later is anything that can wait until tomorrow.
If a coworker interrupts and asks for help, you can say, I can help in 15 minutes. Does that work?
Or if it's urgent, you can ask, is this urgent for today?
That question protects your focus without sounding selfish. And if you need help, ask early. I'm stuck on the data pool. Could you show me the best report to use? People respect early communication.
Now, feedback. Many learners freeze here. They worry the other person will feel attacked.
Try this structure. I liked X. I wonder if we could try Y. It's balanced, praise, and a gentle idea.
If you're receiving feedback, you can say, thanks for the suggestion. I'll adjust that section and send a new version by 3 p.m.
Simple. You don't have to defend every decision. Just show that you listened.
Let's talk about cultural details quickly. Cameras on versus cameras off. Some teams prefer cameras on, some don't.
If you're not sure, ask before the meeting. Do we keep cameras on for this call? No stress. Just ask.
Dress is another question. Is there a dress code for client calls? That's normal to ask too.
Lunchtime. Please eat. Please drink water. Please walk for 5 minutes. Your brain will thank you.
And stepping outside gives you small talk topics. I tried the new sandwich place on 5th Street. Pretty good. Bam, instant micro connection.
Afternoons can feel heavy. That's when I use micro goals. I'll write the first 2 paragraphs. I'll clean up the charts. One bite at a time.
And if you realize you can't finish everything, communicate early. I can deliver the slides today and the appendix tomorrow morning. Will that work?
Time zones. If your team is global, be kind with timing. I'm flexible. Would 9 a.m. your time be okay? Tiny sentence, huge respect.
Let's pause for a miniature role play. This one about deadlines.
Hey, Miguel. I'm close on the report, but I need more time for the charts. Could we move the deadline to noon tomorrow?
Yes, that should be fine. Thanks for the heads up.
I'll post a quick update in the channel so the team knows.
Done. No drama.
Before we jump to work-life balance, I want to say something directly to the perfectionists listening.
We see you.
Your English does not have to be a museum piece. It just has to carry meaning from your heart to someone else's ears. That's it.
Beautiful. And true.
Okay, end of day. You're tired. The inbox is full again. What now?
Do a 3-minute shutdown routine. I write 3 lines, what I finished, what I moved to tomorrow, and one thing I'm proud of.
That proud of line matters. It trains your brain to notice progress. Motivation grows when you feel it.
And then close the laptop and go live your life.
People forget this. Rest is not laziness. Rest is fuel for tomorrow.
Speaking of tomorrow, let's give learners a pocket set of sentences they can use right away. We'll weave them into our conversation naturally.
I'll go first. Can you repeat that, please? So useful in meetings.
I agree with that point. Easy way to participate.
I have a quick question. Great way to enter the discussion politely.
Which task is the priority today? Big time saver.
Can we adjust the deadline to tomorrow morning? clear and respectful.
I'll send you an update by 3 p.m. Shows ownership.
I'm stuck on this step. Could you show me the best resource to use? Early help beats late panic.
Do we keep cameras on for this call? Cultural clarity.
Thanks for the feedback. I'll make those changes. Professional and calm.
I don't usually work overtime. I try to keep evenings for family. Healthy boundary.
See? Short sentences, big impact.
Now, how about a quick practice quiz for our listeners? We'll keep it light and give the answer right after each question.
Question 1. In a meeting, you didn't understand something. Which sentence is best? A. Can you repeat that, please? Or B. What are you even saying?
Answer. Can you repeat that, please?
Question 2. You need to move a deadline. Which sentence sounds professional? A. I can't do this. Or B. I need more time for the report. Can we adjust the deadline to 10 a.m. tomorrow?
Answer. I need more time for the report. Can we adjust the deadline to 10 a.m. tomorrow?
Question 3. You're new and don't know how to address your manager. Which sentence helps? A. How would you like me to address you? Or B. Hey, dude.
Answer. How would you like me to address you?
Question 4. You want to show you're engaged in a meeting. Which sentence works? A. I agree with that point. Or B. Silence.
Answer. I agree with that point.
Question 5. A coworker asks for help while you're focused. Which sentence sets a boundary? A. I can help in 20 minutes. Does that work? Or B. Go away.
Answer. I can help in 20 minutes. Does that work?
If you got them all, nice job. If you missed one, you learned something useful.
Let's rotate to some real-life mini-scenes our listeners can copy. Fast and practical.
Scene 1. Small talk before a meeting. Morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Just finishing coffee. You?
Same. Did you get a chance to see the new dashboard?
Not yet. Is it good?
Much cleaner. I'll send you the link.
That's friendly, short, and it leads to work naturally.
Scene 2. Asking for clarity. Quick question. What's the goal of today's call?
That sentence saves everyone time.
Scene 3. Giving feedback on slides. Great visuals on slide 2. I wonder if we should simplify slide 5. Maybe one chart instead of 3?
Scene 4. Pushing back with respect. I'm concerned about the timing. Could we run a small test this week and roll out the full plan next Monday?
Scene 5. Closing a call. Thanks, everyone. I'll share notes and the updated file by 4 p.m.
All of this makes you sound organized, even if your desk is chaos.
Guilty.
Same.
Now, something we have to talk about: anxiety. Some learners feel their heart race before speaking. That is normal.
One trick. Prepare a first sentence. Before a meeting, write one sentence you want to say. When there's a pause, read it. Your voice gets in the room, and your nerves calm.
Another trick: ask a simple question early. The sooner you speak, the easier it gets to speak again.
And remember, nobody is counting your mistakes. People are trying to solve problems. Help them do that, and you're a star.
Let's share a few office vocabulary words, but with context instead of definitions. Ready?
Ready.
Deadline. The deadline for this version is Friday at noon.
Meeting. Our team meeting is at 2 p.m., cameras on.
Coworker. My coworker helped me fix the spreadsheet.
Schedule. My schedule is full this morning. Can we talk at 3?
Report. I'll send the monthly report this afternoon.
Overtime. I try not to work overtime more than once a week.
Notice how each word is living inside a sentence. That's how language sticks.
Okay, we promised work-life balance. Let's give listeners a simple plan.
Step 1. Set a stop time. I log off at 5:30 unless there's a true emergency.
Step 2, create a small ritual. I close my laptop, stretch, and walk for 5 minutes.
Step 3, do one thing that fills your tank: music, a book, a call with a friend, a quick workout, a hobby.
And if a coworker texts at night, it's fine to respond the next morning. Protect your energy.
Speaking of energy, let's check in on our learner's mindset. If you had a hard day, try this line to yourself: I showed up, I learned something, I'll try again tomorrow.
That line has saved me many times.
Me too. And remember, even native speakers say the wrong thing sometimes. Then they laugh and fix it.
True story. I once said good morning in a cheerful voice. Not the vibe I meant.
I once said, let's touch faces instead of touch base. My team still laughs about it.
See, we all make mistakes, and we're still here doing fine.
Before we close, let's give a tiny starter script for a new employee's first day. Just listen and picture yourself saying it.
Hi, I'm new to the team. Excited to work with you. I'll be focusing on the customer report this week. If anything seems off, please tell me early so I can fix it.
I'll join the 10 a.m. coffee break. Is there anything I should bring?
For updates, I can send a quick note in the channel at the end of the day.
Thanks in advance for your help. I'm still learning our tools and shortcuts.
That tiny script can make your first week smoother.
All right, let's land the plane with 3 reminders you can carry into your next workday.
1. Short sentences win. If you're unsure, make it shorter.
2, ask early. Questions save time and stress.
3. Close the laptop on time. Rest is productivity's best friend.
If you want a micro homework, pick 3 sentences from today and use them this week. 1 in a meeting, 1 in chat, and 1 with your manager.
And celebrate the wins, even the tiny ones. I spoke once in the meeting. That counts.
You're building a new habit, speaking with calm, clear English at work.
We're proud of you, really.
Same. You're doing great. Go easy on yourself.
See you next time.
See you next time.